Hi everybody! Welcome to Python Coders. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to draw an Among Us character in Python Part 3. So in this video, I am going to show you how to draw the mask and the backpack, so you'll basically have your character done. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to do enter. I am going to, first I'm going to put my pen up because all I've done this last time is just renamed my file amongus.py, and here is what the program does so far. So it's drawn the body, but it hasn't drawn the mask or the backpack. So we're right here right now. So we want to move up somewhere around here, and then draw the mask, and then move somewhere around here, and then draw the backpack. So I'm going to start with the mask first. So to do this, I'm going to put t.pen up, so that we don't draw a line, we don't drag our pen along with us wherever we go. And I'm going to go to, so I'm going to type t.go to 35,75. So that means it's going to be, somewhere over in the upper right area. So right now it's going to draw it, and then we are going to move over here. And now from here, we're going to draw the mask. So now we want to put our pen down. And now we're going to, basically to do this, we're going to draw a circle, move forward, and we'll draw a half circle, move forward, draw another half circle, and then come back to where we started. So I'm going to rotate the turtle a little bit so we can have it so it's straight again, so it's not turned. Because right now it's not exactly at any specific quarter, it's kind of in the middle of two quarters. So I'm going to turn it to the left 60, that way it is back to facing the left. So I'm just going to write t.left 60. And then now I'm going to draw my circle. So I'm going to put t.circle -50, 180. So again, when we do a negative, that means that we are, instead of turning it toward the left, we are going to turn the circle towards the right. And 180 means that we're going to do 180 degrees, so we're going to do half a circle. So now our turtle is facing the top, so now we're going to move forward. I'm going to do t.forward, parentheses, 80. So that means now we're moving forward 80 pixels. And now we're going to draw the same circle for the other side of the mask. So t.circle, 50, 180. And then we're going to move forward again. So we're back to where we started. So t.forward. Now we're moving forward 80 pixels. So now that we've done this, I'm going to run it, and we should have the body and the mask. So I'm going to do run module, save it. So now we've drawn the body, and we've drawn the mask. So it doesn't matter too much that we have this line in between, because we are going to, in the next video, in the last video, I'm going to show you guys how to color all this in. So it doesn't matter that there is a little bit of overlap here. So now we're going to draw the backpack. So I'm just going to do enter, and then I am going to move my pen up. T.pen up. And I am going to go to the coordinates, so t.go to. I am going to start from the top of the backpack, so I'm going to go to -100 on the x-axis and 130 on the y-axis. Now I'm going to put my pen down, and now we're going to draw the backpack. So I'm going to move my turtle forward 50, so t.forward 50. And I'm going to rotate it towards the left, so t.left. We're going to move it 90 degrees, so now it's facing down. And basically, to draw this backpack, we're just going to draw a long rectangle. So now we've turned it, so it's facing downwards. Now we're going to move it forward by 200 pixels, so t.forward by 200. And now we're going to turn it to the left 90 again. So t dot left 90. So now we are facing the back of, so it's facing towards the right. And now we are going to move forward another 50. So t dot forward 50. So now we're at the back. Now we're going to rotate it 90 degrees. So t dot left 90. Then we're going to move it forward again. So t dot forward 200. So now I basically just drawn a box on the character's back, and that's its backpack. So I'm going to run it. I'm going to save it. Now we've drawn the body. Now we've drawn the mask. And now we've drawn a little backpack for it. So in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to basically color in your figure. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it. If you have any questions or ideas for new videos, put them in the comments below, and I'll try my best to address them. Happy programming!